Hey beauties, it's Riri. As you guys could see by the thumbnail and the title, we're about to unbox my biggest haul I've ever made, ever. This is my Ipsy Mega Drop Shop. I quickly want to just kind of show you guys how it comes packaged. It's very heavy. I hate that they literally just throw everything in here, but I am at least seeing, I have not taken anything out yet, but I at least am seeing some bubble wrap in some places. But yeah, they kind of drop the ball when it comes to packaging. I feel like Ipsy and Ulta, y'all, they're one and the same, y'all, because they be doing us dirty. I'm gonna take everything out and we're gonna dive in. BRB. All right, whew, y'all, that was a task. My entire vanity is completely covered. Elephant in the room. This look is in my Ice Cream Beauty box video that is already going to be up for you guys, but it is the Clarity Cosmetics, the Deadly Rose palette. I went in with the Bella Blushed Color Quad, also from the Ice Cream Beauty box. And then I did switch my lip from that particular video, and I am now wearing the Mandy Makeup Soft Kiss Cream Lipstick in Lavender Fields. And that is what's on my lips. I'm going to run down very, very quickly. A few disclaimers, not that I feel like I should have to do disclaimers, but people like to be a-holes, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it before you get the chance to say it. This is my job. This is what I do. This is my passion. This is what I love. I also have a resale group, which is how I make money to fund my channel. I paid, actually, let me show you everything first. But what I paid, I also used Klarna and made payments on because I do not have all the money in the world. And I put some of this into giveaways because I do a ton of secret giveaways and stuff on my channel. I am gearing up also for holiday season. I also stock up for things, obviously, for myself, for self-use. And then again, I am funding also my resale group. My resale group on Facebook is always linked down below. Yeah, so we're gonna get going, you guys. First up, we have the Laura Geller Jelly Balm Nourishing Lip Serum in Neutral Ground. And that just looked absolutely stunning. I love Laura Geller. I've been a long time, like, old school QVC hoe. Anybody else? So yeah, I've been a fan of hers for many years. Next up is the Huda Beauty Balm Brows Full and Fluffy Fiber Gel. This is in medium brown. And I'm also going to note too, they had a ton of $2 and $3 items, and they had a ton of buy one get one free. Next up is Pinky Bee Beauty, the Perfect Lip Combo in Open Heart. Next up, I got the Context Beauty Tears Are Falling. I don't actually remember what this is. It is a liquid lipstick. That's what the package looks like. Next up, I have two of the Give Them Lala Beauty Lip Duos in Birthday Suit. Next up, I have two of the Alamar Cosmetics, the Mommy Brow Stylers. And anytime I can, y'all, if you've been here with me for a while, y'all know my brows are trash. So I go through brow products very quickly. So when I see them in specifically like the Ipsy Drop Shop, Mega Drop Shop for $2 and $3, I stock up on brow products. Next up is the Give Beauty, the Anaheim Line Pencil Lip Liner in Mel's Lane. Next up, I picked up two of the Live Beauty, the Nano Fill Brow Pencils. I picked up two of the Scone Luxe Lip Liners in the shade Mud Slide. I picked up two of the Vitamin E Bag Balm Lip Moisturizers. I picked up two of the Ace Beauté, the Hydrating Face Primers. I picked up a Cella or Cella, the Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. I picked up two of the Cella or Cella, the Creme Rose, the Very Best Cream Rose Body Lotion. This packaging, you guys, is absolutely beautiful. I picked up a Briogeo Curl Charisma, a Sutra Heat Guard Leave-In Cream, two of the Kira Moon Silky Rinse Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser, the Kokie Vitamin C Radiant Serum. I got a couple of fragrances. I opted to go more for, you'll see, I stocked up on palettes and stuff. Those are what sell the most in my group. But they had a lot of really good fragrance deals too, you guys. I got the Ellis Brooklyn Florist Eau de Parfum. I picked up the Sentier Path of Lemons. I think this is going to be mine. If you know, you know. I love everything lemon, so we'll see what happens with that. Next up, I got 2 of the Dionys Goat Milk Skincare, the Soul Keeper for rough, calloused, cracked feet. I got 2 of these. They are foot creams. One for myself, actually, and one for my husband. Especially going into the winter months. He does construction. He's outdoors a lot. And my skin is just dry. It's just real damn dry. I got 2 of the Element Beauty lip scrubs. And these are, I don't think it has a thing on it, so I'm just assuming they're kind of a standard one because it says Vitamin E, jojoba, shea butter, and sugar. Next up, I got 2 of the Ola Neon, the lip liners in the shade Afterglow. I picked up 1 random brush. Yep. This is I Embrace Change by Real Her. It is a fluffy brush. Next up, I picked up 3, because these also sell very well in my group, 3 of the Illuminati, the Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliners in the shade Air. I picked up the Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser from Rodial. I picked up the Pacifica Pineapple Swirl Curl Defining Cream. I got the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. I picked up 2 of the YC Collection Neria Cream Eyeshadows. Okay, let me put all this back in the box. I'll BRB. Alright, diving back in. Y'all don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying, and also don't forget that hype button, you guys. Next up is the Dionys Goat Milk Skincare, the Youth Boosting Goat Milk Hand Cream with peptides and squalane. I picked up 2 of the Sophia and Maybelle, the Too Pretty Highlighting and Bronzing Duos. I'll just kind of show you what one looks like. And I'm shocked. When I tell y'all, look, I'm shocked that there's so much bubble wrap in front of me right now, okay? Next up is the little mini of the Double Dipper. This is the bronzer in Siesta Key. I picked up a set of the Spectrum brushes, the Brush Club 3-piece face brush set. I picked up the Morphe Euphoric Rush 3-in-1 Silk Blush in the shade Hypnotized. I've actually been pretty intrigued by that, so I'm excited about that. I picked up 2 of the Laura Geller, the Made to Multitask Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette in Think Pink. I picked up the Seraphine Botanicals, the Diamante Beaming Highlighter. Next up is the Give the Eye, E-Y-E-C in color, multi-dimensional eyeshadow palette in Make Me Like You. Next up is the Ofra Midi Palette Blossom Blush Palette. And I would open these, but again, this stuff is not for me. It's to put into my resale group and or giveaways, gifts, things like that. Next up is the Alamar Cosmetics, the Viva Las Chicas in Dark Rich. Next up, I'm trying to grab them all together. I don't know how that's going to work. I picked up the Violet Voss Pretty in Paradise palette. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Next up, I got 2 of the Black Magic Carnival by Oma Beauty. I picked up the Balm, the Face Palette in Gold Coast, and then the Powder Trio with 2 blushes and a bronzer in Tropics. Next up is the Alamar Cosmetics times Cheetos, the Feline Fine palette. Next up is the Kimchi Chic Cheeky Threesome Blush palette. And that was in some bubble wrap. I know, y'all. I know. Next up, I picked up 4 of the Wing Me Ethereal Rose Face and Eye palettes. Again, they had a ton of buy one to get one frees as well. Oh, the packaging is pretty, and them colors are pretty. I might have to keep one of these for myself, y'all. I don't usually keep a lot of this stuff for myself, like the brows and maybe a couple things I'll probably keep, but like I said, the rest of it is generally going to go for gifts, gifting, and put in my resale group. Next up is the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow. I don't know where I'm from all of a sudden, but eyeshadow is what I meant to say. Next up, there are 2. This is the Ciate London, the Cherry Bomb Blush and Highlighter palette. That packaging is so daggone cute. Next up, I picked up 3 of the Ace Beauté, the Whimsical Bloom eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so pretty here, you guys. Next up is the Rena Rebelde, the Wet Dry Eye Color palette in Serena. I picked up 2 of the Pacifica Glycolic Acid Orange and Vanilla Makeup Cleansing Wipes. I'm actually finishing up a pack right here, and so these came at the perfect time. Next up, I also picked up 4 of the Eloise Sweet Cheeks palettes. I will slide one of these open because I'm very curious. It's got a cream bronzer and a powder bronzer. I might actually keep one of those too. Next up, I picked up 2 These are the Hip Dot. Packaging is gorgeous. The Sun Goddess 4-Shade Face Palette. Then I picked up 2, and I think I'm just going to swatch these, so one of them most likely will go over to my resale group because I was unsure of which one I would prefer. I got the Laura Geller Balance and Glow Hydrating Liquid Foundation with a skin quenching glow, and then the Laura Geller Double Take Liquid Foundation Medium Buildable Coverage. So they honestly, y'all, they both sounded really, really nice and sounded up my alley. And I did get light, and I'm kind of getting these in preparation for obviously going into the more winter months when I'm losing my tan. And then last but not least, you guys, is the Real Her I Am Unbeatable Power Wear Probiotic Foundation in the shade Warm Nude. All of this, everything that you have seen here, was $250. I obviously had to pay shipping, and it is over a $1,350 value. I love to shop the Mega Drop shop. Even when I don't have the extra money, like right now, I didn't really have the extra money, but because they have the option for payment plans and using Klarna and stuff, I went ahead and made the purchase, like I said, because I'm trying to prep for my sales and stuff like that, gifts, gift giving, holidays and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel like I got a bang for my buck. I am absolutely blown away. Like even just looking around and seeing how much product is here, holy freaking crap. And I know quite a few of you also went a little bit crazy in the Mega Drop shop. I would love to know what y'all purchased. Obviously, if you don't feel comfortable sharing here on, in a public space, that's fine. We can message like we have been. But yeah, I find that it's an incredible way to kind of gear up and save specifically towards this time of the year for holiday season and stuff. If you do have a lot of beauties in your life like myself that like makeup, beauty, skincare, hair, things like that. And then like I said, I get to have one hell of a sale in my resale group. Yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also click that new hype button to hype up the video. That helps me as well. You can click on the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and you can tap the join button down below to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.